Today's European economic calendar is full of important releases. So far, German GDP data for the third quarter has been revealed. In the third quarter, the final gross domestic product in the European Union's largest economy grew by 0.1% on quarter, as expected. On an annual basis, the economy expanded by 1%, while the seasonally adjusted annual rate rose by 0.5%. In addition, the year's releases included the data on the Eurozone business activity for November. The flash composite manufacturing and services PMI slipped to 50.3 points in November from 50.6 points in October. At the end of the trading week, the euro showed a slight recovery. The euro-dollar pair advanced to its daily highs of 1.1075, then pulled back and consolidated at the level of 1.1054. After today's dip, the pair finally managed to gain ground amid a weaker US dollar and the upbeat German PMI results. The increased pressure on the pound dragged the pair back closer to its multi-week lows in the area of 1.2880. The pound-dollar pair failed to inch up to the area of 1.2925. Today is the fourth consecutive day when the pair is taking a positive. Moreover, the currency was also weighed down by the weak UK PMI results for November. Both the services and composite PMIs contracted, hitting their lowest level since July 2016. This signals a possible downturn in the economy in the fourth quarter of this year. The UK manufacturing PMI was 48.3, down from 49.6 points in October, while the services PMI dipped to 48.6 from 50.0 in the previous months. Today, traders are awaiting the news on a trade deal between the United States and China. Later, the United States will publish the data on Purchasing Managers Survey and the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.